Today what we're going to do is trace objects that we find around our house or our room and use our imagination to turn it into something else. As an example, I've got a pair of scissors. Just going to open them up for fun. Press them down and trace around the outside. Now I'm going to look at my outline here. And I'm going to try and think of what I could turn this into. Now I'm having a hard time imagining what it would look like here, so I'm going to go ahead and turn it and see if that changes my mind. Ooh, this to me kind of looks like the beak of a yelling bird. And this could be some kind of feathers on the head. This could be the neck and the body. So to show that, I'm going to go ahead and add the wing over here. Maybe give him some little feet. Maybe a tail. And of course some eyeballs. Maybe a nostril. And then decorate, the feathers here. I'm going to make them look real curly and silly. There we go. So I just turned my scissors into a kind of silly looking bird. You can use whatever objects that you want, even stuff like your hand. You can just trace it maybe in some funny positions. And if you can't find anything that you would want to turn that into, actually this kind of looks like someone sitting on a couch. I wish I was so comfy on a couch like this. I like to put my legs up. There we go. Actually, it works out really well. So we're just going to have some fun today. Don't worry if you can't think of anything. You can, of course, always do a free draw and include your shapes in that. But go ahead and have fun.